Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you unique and beautiful 10-bit binary codec decimals clock widget for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as 10-bit clock widget. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Let's just tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening you will see tons of options here, right? So just minimize it firstly and just tap and hold on your home screen, and you will see here at the bottom widgets. Just tap on it. Now you will see your 10-bit clock widget. Just click on this down arrow icon. Now just tap and hold and just drag and place it on your Android home screen. So let me resize it. So now you can see your 10 dots. As you can see, total number of 10 dots, right? So right now you can see on the above 1207, right? So there is no number indications or what it's showing. You might be thinking like that, right? So let me give you a quick overview of this dot values. So these are the values of this. So now you can see here the right hand side is a minute and the left hand side is for the hours. So right now it's 12:10. So let us add this two dot value, that is which are glowing up in white in color. The value of the upper one is 8 and the value of the down one is 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. So it's like that. So if you want to customize it or change the color of this dot colors, then you can just select this dot colors here depending upon your needs, and you can select the size also. So let me select the mid small size, and you can select the 24-hour format also. So let me select the color. Now just minimize it. Now you can see the dot color had changed. So you can change the display separator also. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application. So by using this application named as 10-bit clock widget, you can easily get unique and beautiful 10-bit binary codec decimals clock widget for Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.